Yes, excuse me.
See that result. Hey, nice one. But I don't like this one again. I don't like it again. I don't like it. So do you know what you do here? Abin da za ku yi min a nan wajen. Kin gane? Ke kamar irin you want to pass. Kin gane? Shi kuma is standing already. Kin gane? So idan kika to ta gaban shi, this guy we do as if he wanted to approach you.
Okay.
Kin gane? But idan ya zo, instead of him to, let's say like, I mean, let me call you, let me stop you. Kin gane? So he would like to touch your skin. So that touching, before you slap him, you're not even allowing him to say anything. You just give him a dirty slap. Should you understand? So that's the result I want to see. Markagani? Kuwaya banga? Alright. So after action, Yakuban result. Yeah, let's do this.
Okay. Already.
No, here. Let's say for example you are skiing here. Yeah. So no. Okay, you. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's say for example you are coming from this side. Kingani?
Yes.
Exactly. So you need more buttons there and water. Yeah. Are we together? So that one that I okay, zaki ta wani irin normal kawai. Zaki wuce. Kin gane ai? Shi kuma dai cewa bari na ga fine babe. But I want to see that smile. A fuska kawo irin kaga fine girl. Kin gane ai? Ke kuma I want to see that fishi a idanki. Alright. So after action, say me abin da ya kamata. Alright, are you guys ready? If you are ready, I'm ready. Silent all over the continent. Action!
Yes, excuse me.
Cut!
Oh, no.
Ba haka zaki marin ba. Cover his ears. Give him that kind of dirty slap. So let's do it again, I beg. Let's go. So, are you ready? If you're ready, I'm ready. Action! Let me see that result. Hey, nice one. But I don't like this one again. I don't like it again. I don't like it. You need to retake it. You got it? Saboda marin da yake cover din daga nan. Here. This ears, not cheeks only. Har da kunni, kin gane ai. Cover everything. Okay.
No.
Cover everything. Kin gane ai. All right, let's go. We need to take it again. Wait. I back action, but go back small. All right. From here, I want your hands to cover his ears. Ingani? All right. Thank you. Action!
No.
I don't like this slap.